Hey guys, my name's Mitchell. Today I'll be making some drawings with code. I'm going to be using Khan Academy for it. They taught me how to do it, so now I'm going to be teaching you guys. Okay, so I think coding is really fun. The first thing you want to do is type in the word eclipse. Wait, no, that's not how you spell it. I don't think that's how you spell it. So let's change that up. Eclipse. Okay, just don't listen to this. It's not right. Then you have to have two brackets and then yeah. Okay, so that's how you spell it. Oh, okay. I understand everything now. So turn the C into an L. Then you need two brackets and then a semicolon. In between the brackets, you need I'm just gonna have 200, 200, 200, 200. And as you can see on the right screen, I've made a circle. There it is. So to change the size of the circle, this is the left bit. This is the X. So ellipse. And here I'm just gonna write here, write your parameters. That's what it's called apparently. Parameters. Okay. So your parameters are your four numbers. As you can see, I have in the first line. So you can change this. If you do it 0, then you can see, okay, this thing's just really disturbing. It's going in the way, so I'm just going to put parameters in here. She'll just listen to them. Maybe it'll stop saying that then. Ah! Oh my god. What is happening? And yeah, I'm just going to delete this. For some reason, my iPad can't hold the backspace button. Don't even tell me why. Maybe that's what happens in all coding. Maybe just me. I don't know. Just going to not have that. So now you know where you got to have your parameters. So as you can see, I just had 0 and I was really close to the left. 400, it's really close to the right. And 200 is in the middle, as you can see I have here. And that's what I'm going to be using. The second number here, this is the Y, which is how high something goes and how low something goes. So here I'm just going to have 0, 0. Sorry, I'm editing this and then I'm talking this at a different time. Does that make sense? I don't know. 0 is really high, 400 is really low. You should have noticed that. So I'm just going to have 200 in the middle. The third one, this is the width of how wide something goes. Does that make sense? So if you have a 0 here, as you can see, it's really thin, your circle. But if you have 400, it is really large. Really, really large. But I'm just going to make it 225. That's going to be the size I'm using. But this doesn't really look like a face yet. And I'm trying to make a face. So here I'm going to have the height. So if you do 0, it looks all flat. As you can see, yeah, it's just a line. Like, you don't want a line. 400 and it's, I didn't even know anyone called it. It's really, really high. And I'm not really looking for high. So I'm going to do 310. Okay, so I'm going to do this again for the mouth, because all faces need a mouth. I'm going to have 2 brackets and a semicolon. That bit's very important. And then I need my code. I'm going to have 200 for the X, how left or right it'll go. And now we're at the Y-axis, how high or low something goes. So, I'm going to have 250. And now we're at the width, how much left and right, 70. And height, how, okay, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But yeah, okay, you kind of got the gist of this. So I did this code for the mouth, but remember, you can always do whatever you want if you're actually doing this. This is just what I'm going to be doing. And now I'm going to be doing the left eye. Ellipse, and the X, remember, is how left or right something goes. I'm doing, I was going to do 200, scratch that, 170. Now this is how high or low something goes. 120. Now I'm going to work on the size. Width is how thin, I don't really know how to say that, how wide something goes. Like from left to right, you can have like 2 points. I know you explained that. I'm just going to do 25. If you didn't know what width means, then you'll understand that height. Well, height's just how high something is. And I'm going to have 25. Bracket to close. And then a semicolon. Okay. And then once you have that eye done, that is your left eye. So now I'm just going to do the next ellipse. 2 brackets and a semicolon, and in the brackets, I'm going to add 1, 1, 1, 1, just to explain to you. So now you have a dot in the top left, if you can really try and see that. In the right screen, you have a dot in the top left. And then, well, you don't really want the dots to be at the top. You don't really want it to be at the left. You want it to be at the right. So I'm going to be doing 240. But it's still at the top. I don't really want it to be at the top. I want it to be a bit lower, near the eye. So if we can type in here, I'm going to be doing 120. As you can see, the eyes have to be like, the only thing that should change when you're doing the eyes is the width. How much left or right something goes. Otherwise, everything is the same. And now I have my face, so I am finished. Okay, there's tons of comments here. It's really cool. Okay, so that is going to be the end of this coding session. I don't even know why I'm making this video, but yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.